The Tesla Model X, like many electric vehicles, uses a 12-volt battery to power essential systems like lights, door locks, and the central computer when the main battery isn't active. This secondary battery ensures these critical functions work independently, allowing your car to wake up for remote access or diagnostics. This video will guide you through safely replacing the 12-volt battery. We'll cover access procedures, safety precautions, and step-by-step instructions. You'll see the components under the hood and the vehicle's warning system as we walk through the replacement process. The 12-volt battery in your Tesla Model X acts as a secondary power source, essential for waking up the vehicle and powering low-voltage systems like the touchscreen, lights, and door locks. Unlike the main high-voltage battery, this 12-volt battery maintains power when the car is off or in service mode. The 12-volt battery is located in the front trunk area of the Model X. This placement keeps it separate from the main battery pack while providing easy access for maintenance. Tesla uses a standard lead-acid or AGM battery for the 12-volt system. These batteries provide 12 volts and 60 to 70 ampere hours of capacity, fitting a Group 24 form factor and weighing around 40 to 50 pounds. They are conventional but reliable for this application. Some owners opt for lithium-ion upgrades, which offer longer lifespan of 5 to 10 years compared to 3 to 5 years for lead-acid batteries and significantly reduced weight. However, these require voltage regulation to protect Tesla's sensitive electronics. To access the battery, simply open the frunk using the touchscreen or key fob. Then remove the carpeted floor panels and plastic cover to reveal the battery compartment. No special tools are required for basic access. Safety is the top priority when working on your Tesla Model X. The frunk area contains high-voltage components from the main battery system, including cooling systems and cables that carry thousands of volts. Mishandling these can result in electric shock, burns, or even fires. Always approach this area with caution. Before starting any work, always disconnect the main battery. Find the orange service disconnect plug located under the rear cover of the frunk. This plug safely isolates the high-voltage system. Gently pull the orange handle outward to disconnect it completely. Next, activate transport mode using the vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Transport mode. This safely de-energizes the vehicle's systems, reducing the risk of electrical hazards during your work. Finally, wear insulated gloves designed for high-voltage work. These gloves provide essential protection against electrical shock. Work in a well-ventilated area away from flammable materials, and never short-circuit battery terminals. Remember, following these safety precautions prevents accidents and ensures a successful battery replacement. Begin by parking your Tesla Model X on a level surface. Engage the parking brake and open the frunk using the touchscreen or key fob. Next, carefully remove the frunk's carpeted floor panels and plastic cover. This will expose the 12-volt battery compartment. Now, using a 10mm wrench, loosen the negative terminal clamp first, then the positive clamp. This safely disconnects the battery. Finally, check for a fuse block in some models and disconnect it to ensure complete isolation. Begin by unbolting the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the bolts on both the front and rear clamps. Once the clamp is unbolted, carefully lift out the old battery. Remember, the battery is heavy at about 40 to 50 pounds, so wear protective gloves to ensure a safe grip and prevent injury. Now place the new 12-volt battery into the compartment, ensuring it's positioned correctly with terminals facing up. Secure the new battery by reinstalling the hold-down clamp. Reattach the front and rear clamps and tighten the bolts. Now reconnect the battery terminals. Always connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Use a wrench to tighten the connections securely. Finally, torque the terminal connections to 10 to 15 foot-pounds to ensure they are secure but not over-tightened. This completes the battery installation process. First, carefully reconnect the main battery. Locate the orange service disconnect plug in the frunk area. Gently push it back into place to restore power to the high-voltage system. This step is crucial before testing to ensure the vehicle can start safely. Now, start the Model X by pressing the brake pedal and the power button. Once powered on, use the touchscreen to navigate to controls, then service and select battery. Check carefully for any error messages or warnings that might indicate issues with the new 12-volt battery or the reconnection process. If the touchscreen indicates low voltage or that charging is needed, connect an external battery charger to the 12-volt battery terminals. Use the red clamp on the positive terminal and black on negative. Charge the battery for 1 to 2 hours or until the voltage reaches a stable level around 12.6 volts for optimal performance. Finally, confirm all systems are functioning correctly. Test the door locks. Ensure the touchscreen is responsive. Check the lighting and climate controls. If the vehicle prompts for a software update, allow it to complete, as Tesla may have diagnostics related to the battery replacement. After installing the new battery, check for any software updates on the touchscreen. Tesla vehicles often receive over-the-air updates that can monitor battery health and ensure optimal performance. Dispose of the old battery responsibly according to local EPA guidelines. In the United States, lead-acid batteries like the one in your Tesla Model X should be recycled at designated collection centers. AGM batteries are less prone to acid leaks but still contain hazardous materials and must be disposed of properly. Now let's cover troubleshooting common mistakes and expert tips for 12-volt battery replacement in your Tesla Model X. Common mistakes include forgetting to disconnect the main battery first, which can cause dangerous short circuits or fires. Always double-check all electrical connections before and after replacement. Expert tips. If you're unsure about any step, seek professional help from a Tesla service center. Consider upgrading to a lithium-ion 12-volt battery for longer life and lighter weight. They can last 5 to 10 years versus 3 to 5 for lead-acid. Looking ahead, future Tesla models may eliminate the 12-volt battery entirely through integrated power systems. This would use advanced DC-DC converters from the main battery pack for all low-voltage needs, improving efficiency by 20 to 30%.